Faded wood finish ruining your vibe? You gotta bring that color and shine back with some smart stain and sealant moves, like, for real. So, first off, clean the wood good. No dirt or grime messing with your work. Then lightly sand it to get rid of that old flaky stuff and open up the wood pores so the stain sticks better. Pick a stain that matches what you want. There's oil-based ones for deep color and water-based for quick drying. Apply the stain with a brush or cloth, going with the grain, and don't rush it. Let it soak in and dry like the instructions say. After staining, slap on a sealant that has UV protection to keep that sun from fading your fresh look again. Polyurethane or spar varnish works well depending on indoor or outdoor use. Wait the full drying time before putting stuff back or walking on it, or you'll mess it up fast. Keep your wood looking fresh by cleaning it regularly and reapplying sealant every couple of years if it's outside. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing faded wood finishes is skipping the sanding step, which makes the new stain patchy and uneven, so always sand first to get smooth results. Another common issue is picking the wrong type of stain or sealant, like using an indoor finish outdoors means it won't last because it lacks UV protection. Make sure you choose products labeled for exterior use if your wood is outside. Lastly, rushing the drying process is a no-go. Applying more coats or using the wood before it's dry leads to peeling or blotchy surfaces. Just give it time, patience pays off. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making sure your wood projects get done right. Plus, it helps contractors find real work easily so they can keep doing what they love without all the hassle.